Hey, Natasha, good morning. Well, we knew the weather couldn't stay quite as nice as it was over the weekend. What a gorgeous weekend, especially Saturday. Unbelievable weather. Today is brightening up. It was a bit of a gloomy start, but now the clouds are starting to break. We see more sunshine and blue sky. This is in the city, Society Hill section of the city, and even down in Cape May this morning, this Washington Street Mall area was all wet. It was raining all morning, but now look at this bright blue sky. People are out grabbing their iced coffees, riding bikes down the shore. It is a beautiful morning in Cape May. We just had to wait a little bit longer for it to clear out this morning. And it is very warm right now, especially with the sun breaking out. We're seeing temperatures rising into the mid 70s already. 74 in the city, Trenton and Wilmington as well, 74 in Wildwood, 71 in Atlantic City. So a warm and certainly more humid day out there than what we've become accustomed to since last week. But as we clear this out, you can see the morning showers moving out to sea. Still just some patchy clouds, but the clouds are thinning out as we go through the day. And there will be enough instability around with the humidity, especially to produce a few afternoon thunder shower chances. Although it does look like most of the area will likely stay rain-free today. These will be pop-ups, kind of few and far between. But generally speaking, between about 4 and 8 o'clock, a couple of spots could see a pop-up thunder shower. We'll see a few more clouds bubble up this afternoon as well. But we're in the 80s. It's warm. It's humid. It feels kind of like a summer day for us. 76 by 10 o'clock as we quiet down. So let's take a look at the afternoon hours. Just to start here, you can see just a few more clouds. This is 1:30. A couple of little sprinkles here and there. There may be a pop-up thunder shower near the city. We'll have to keep an eye on this. If this fires up in South Philly for the Phillies game, which is at 6:40 tonight, there could be a brief delay. But again, these are few and far between. A stronger system will head our way by late Wednesday, and that's going to bring our best chance for rain this week. We'll time that out and the unsettled stretch that will follow coming up. Natasha, back over to you.
All right, Kate, thank you so much.
Raining this morning down the shore. Atlantic City had some rain, Cape May, LBI, but that rain has now pushed out to sea, and most of the day now, especially down the shore, should be dry. It is kind of hot, kind of humid, definitely a little bit different than what we felt to start the weekend. If you remember late last week, we had dew points in the 30s and 40s. Incredibly low humidity, very comfortable conditions. Now it's steaming up a bit and it's starting to feel more summer-like outside. So a steamy but bright start to the week today and tomorrow. Nothing but a stray afternoon thunderstorm today, possibly tomorrow as well, but a better chance for rain and storms later Wednesday into Thursday. The timing has sped up a little bit. It looked at one point that it would be mainly Thursday. Now it's looking like the heaviest rain will come through likely overnight Wednesday night. That, unfortunately, will usher in more of an unsettled pattern into the weekend. And while it's not a total washout, we are going to have shower and storm chances pretty much every day from at least Wednesday all the way through Sunday. Right now in Philadelphia, you can see the sun has come out. Again, it was a bit of a dreary start to the morning, but now blue sky, 74 degrees, dew points in the low 60s, which is humid, but it's not terrible. Certainly a little steamier than it was at the end of last week. We are in the kind of muggy range here today with dew points staying in the 60s. Tomorrow afternoon gets a little bit better. Remember, though, we were kind of off the charts comfortable, especially Friday into Saturday, and humidity does start to creep back up even more by Wednesday out ahead of our next system. So for today, again, now that the morning showers have cleared, the clouds have cleared, it's actually a pretty nice afternoon. Feels very summer-like, warm and humid, 85. A good deal of sunshine and just an isolated shower or storm this afternoon. Keep an eye to the sky if you're headed to the Phillies game. If we do pick up any thunderstorms near the city, it would likely be right around first pitch here, about 6:40 this evening. A couple of pop-ups are possible, but again, unlikely that one would fire up right over Citizens Bank Park. Can't rule it out. Plan for it, but it does look like most of us will be dry for the most part today. Here are the morning showers. The clouds have started to fizzle, and as we get into the afternoon and into tomorrow as well, we're going to be under weak high pressure, which will keep things relatively quiet. Our next system, though, taking shape out over the country's midsection, and that will get here on Wednesday evening. So timing this all out for you as we go through the rest of today, you can see these little blips, little green dots here, little pop-up showers and storms possible. Each one that does fire up could produce a brief intense downpour just because there's more moisture in the atmosphere, but they are few and far between. And tomorrow, even more isolated, just a stray shower or thunderstorm in 1 or 2 spots. Wednesday is a little bit different. This is going to be rain for everyone. It clouds up throughout the day. Showers arrive in the evening, but then a band of heavier rain is likely to move through with a surface low Wednesday night into Thursday morning. This is overnight, and you can see some pretty heavy rain here. We're going to wake up to wet conditions Thursday morning, but then The problem is once this system, this heavy rain that comes through Wednesday night into Thursday, that moves away, we still have this big upper low. And what you can think of with an upper low is just a big pocket of chilly air in the upper atmosphere. And it's just going to keep things unsettled. With that low nearby, you can see the green. It's not going to pour the whole time Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Much of that time frame will be dry, but with that upper low, it'll generate instability. And what that means is shower and storm chances each afternoon, especially in the higher elevations. So looking ahead to the weekend, down the shore may stay dry. Can't rule out a pop-up, but in the Poconos, a much better chance for scattered showers and storms Friday, Saturday, Sunday, especially in the afternoon time frame. And that's the same story for the city. So we start the week with some sun today and tomorrow. Rain returns later Wednesday into Thursday, and then sunshine each day with afternoon shower and storm chances, and it is a little bit cooler Friday into the weekend. Highs back into the 70s Saturday and Sunday, and again, each afternoon we'll just have to monitor some pop-up shower and storm activity. Natasha, I'll send it back to you.
All right, Kate, thank you.